most of us are not aware is when we are using AI, what are the biases that are being used for giving you the answer? My name is Pablo Villarias. I'm currently a Coventry University student. I come from Spain to study the Global Business MBA. Well, now I'm in my fourth module, which is the last one, unfortunately. So the one that I joined the most till now has been finance, probably, because my background is as a lawyer. So as you can imagine, I have no idea about finance until I arrived here, which helped me a lot. I learned so many things related to that field that I wouldn't be able to understand any other way. That's the reason that I choose that module as my favorite one. Also, lecturers were great. I'm talking about top tier lecturers, very smart people, really engaging and very kind with us, supporting us with everything. So yeah, I enjoyed it a lot. Well, I guess that leadership, all this knowledge that they gave us during our modules, how they helped us to manage people, which is clearly something very difficult. I would say that the most important thing would be specifically the self-awareness and how that helps you to basically navigate through so many difficult situations that comes along with your real life experience during work, all these tensions that are happening with your manager, with the rest of members of your team and everything. So I'm sure that I will be able to sort so many of those with the knowledge that I learned from here. I'm not really sure, because one of the reasons why I choose to do the MBA, as I said, it was to some sort of open my mind, make my knowledge broader and everything. So now I strongly believe that I'm a pretty good candidate for so many different things, because that's the thing when it comes to this MBA, especially with this Global Business MBA. This world is changing so fast that basically with all these things that I've been learning through all these modules, I believe that I can go for a project manager or maybe an AI management position or something like that. So we will see. Yes. Well, of course, it's not as simple as how to use AI, because we all know how to use it. We all done that before. But the thing was that, which most of us are not aware, is when you're using AI, what are the biases that are being used for giving you the answer? What's happening with all the information that you're giving to your prompt, or what, or how, well, where all this knowledge comes from. So we are learning so many things about this new technology. As you said, is something exceptional, is something extremely new. So we are learning so many things related to AI governance, like how to properly use AI with a responsible, basically a responsible way of using it, how to make sure to review it, things related to transparency and accountability for the AI use, all these sort of things. I would say probably future, because basically all these things that you are learning are so useful for your real life experience, especially when it comes with your professional career. Here in class I had the chance to meet so many different people from so many other countries. Actually, one lecturer told us once that you're going to learn a lot from your lecturers, but you're going to learn the most from your classmates. So make sure to know them. And I would say that's the reason. Basically, here in Coventry University, they prepare you for the future in an international field, which is the most similar to reality that is happening nowadays. Yes, for sure. I absolutely agree with that, especially with the lecturers. All of them are so nice. You can see from the way they are speaking to you, they actually care about you. They want to do their best when they are delivering the lectures. They want you to understand what they are talking about. they want you to participate and everything. So yes, for sure, lecturers, I wouldn't change a thing, they are great. And also with the community, yes, absolutely, I agree with that, because basically all these great people that I get to meet, as I mentioned before, from so many different backgrounds, none of us is similar in any way. I'm currently studying the sustainability and ethics during this blog. So I would say that it's awesome how so many business only try to focus on the profit and how they leave the other messes like people and planet for the future, or they just don't care about that, when actually they are equally important, all three of them. It's called the triple bottom line: people, profit, and planet, and how business should focus on all of them at the same time in order to actually succeed. To a future student that is thinking to enroll, yes, for sure, take that step, make the decision. As an international student, I can feel that maybe it's a very hard decision to make, but still this experience actually, it's worth it for sure. All the things that you are going to learn, all the things that you are going to experience are something that I wouldn't be able to find in any other possible way.